quest continues for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and beware of dogs. Yeah. Okay, so this is kind of like a compound, but you got the caretaker's house right here. You got a sari that's being run right here, so you basically have a store at your house. This is the parking area. Got a couple of hammocks, which are cool. Also got a bed in case it's hot and you want to sleep outside. This is a cool little parking area though. Now you're gonna hear a lot of barking from the mga pandak, from the short-legged dogs, because they don't know us. And there's more dogs over here, but they look scared. You look like a hot dog. And this is the sari right here. And we got a chef. We got an on-site chef. Little sitting area out here. Now, the house. This is a really classy little establishment. I like this house. This house is really cool. I guess the guy is in Singapore, who's renting it out, and it's just really well done. They put a lot of effort, thought, detail into the construction. Attention to detail everywhere. You see these motifs of elephants all over the place. The landscaping is really good. Well, it's just basically concrete, but with its plants and stuff, it's well done. And right over here, hey guys, they're doing construction, diba? Apartments? Trabajo. They're building apartments next door. Okay, so let's go up here and check the house out. Again, it's cool. We gotta worry about the lighting. We have no lighting in here. See if we can turn on the lights. Okay, so we got the lights on, and like I said, it's really a groovy house on the inside. I love all the knickknacks, the bric-a-brac. You guys know I love this stuff. They even have encyclopedias. And again, all the elephant stuff. Really classy. I like it. It's cool. Tea set in case you want some tea. It's really cool. And they got ceiling fans. Really nice lighting. Again, the attention to detail. The colors are a little odd, but hey, it's the Philippines. Again, there's another light over here. More sofas. The problem here is they only have globe DSL. So that's not good because we need PLDT. But this is a really cool place. I like it. I like it. And the nice rugs. Again, big area here going into the kitchen.
This is, I think, the baby's room.
This would be the baby's room.
This princess name.
Yeah. This would be for the baby. Air conditioning. It's fully furnished. Shanti. I got poo, Disney stuff, little desk for the kid. Here's the CR. Water heater, gotta have the water heater. And again, another problem is the construction next door. That's gonna be a problem for a while here. Good quality doors. This must have been Shanti's room. Cool. She was a princess. She's still a princess, I'm sure. This is cool. It's like faux jade. I like that. So that's one bedroom. Here's another bedroom. Again, ceiling fans, little recessed lighting. It's cool. I like it. There's an air conditioner. Looks like some art, some kid art. I like mama, papa, all that. And a little vanity and a queen size bed. And these are nice doors. These are actual doors, unlike our plastic doors at Pink House. Here is the CR, another CR. It's blue, better than pink. Water heater, good furnishings. Let's see what gotta do the water pressure test. Whoa, looks like the water hasn't been run for a while. Water looks okay. The rust is out. Nice. And the owner has again left all bric-a-brac. We might steal one of those. And here's the third bedroom, another air conditioner. Looks like this was a kids room too. It was about the last time the owner was here was Christmas. Little desk, little drawer setup, and another vanity. Must have been a lot of women living in here, because guys aren't into this stuff. Yeah, it must have been around Christmas the last time they were here, because it's all Christmas motifs. Also got a little pantry. I wish we had this at Pink House. You really need one of these. Pantry for all your stuffs, for your kitchen cooking supplies, all that storage. I wish we had one of those. There's a nice range. This is a very nice range. I think this is the top of the line you can get here from Germania. And it's got a hood with the venting and all that. It's got all kinds. Again, I love all these little knickknacks, man. This is cool. This reminds me of the house of a friend
Look at this
when I was growing up. Yeah, and your dishes. I guess I don't understand. What is this? You put the dishes in when they're wet? I don't know how this works.
That's for the glasses, do you think?
Yeah, they're kind of stuck. Okay, we're not gonna mess with that. But the cabinetry looks nice, just not even. Sink. There we go with brown water. Come on, brown water. Now. And there's the dog in the backyard. He's in a little cage and he's barking at us. The little refrigerator. This is a very tiny little refrigerator. Little Panasonic. This is smaller than our old Panasonic. Tiny little refrigerator. Nice kitchen table. Birds. This is like latch hook or something. Is this latch hook? Yeah. And now, and I think that's the Last Supper.
Yeah.
And another ceiling fan. I mean, the colors, I like it. It comes together really well. This was somebody's home, and you can tell this was somebody's home. You know, this is where kids grew up.
And you really know that they're taking care of the house, even there's no one's living in here.
Yeah, because the caretaker obviously is doing a very good job in caretaking the property. But this is like a real house. And the sofa, love seats, they're all real. I already did the sit on them test. They're very comfortable. I like these drapes. I really do like these drapes. It's cool. How you feeling? You hanging in there? All right, so let's take a spin around outside. I think that door goes outside. Another concern I have, other than the barking dogs, the construction, they have screens, but there's no security grates in any of the windows. But the caretaker might have a gun, so that might be covered. And I'm not quite sure what this was. I think this was their cat. Poor kitty. That's a fur-bearing animal of some sort.
It's fake.
Is it fake?
I think.
It doesn't look fake. Oh. All right, let's take a spin outside. I like this place. All right, so we're outside and there's a tire. Okay. And everything is nicely maintained. You got a swing here if you need to swing. You have I have no idea what this is, but it's here. This thing is here. It's something that does something. And it's got these tubes. And it's got an output chute. Honey, do you have any idea, pulling upon your 24 years of Philippine experience, what this is? No? You're just gonna stay there for the rest of the video? All right. And this is the backyard. Construction noises. Carrier air cons. And these are those little cages that they keep these Filipino dogs in. And it looks like they got provision for a piggery. Holy shit, they got a pig. Honey,
Yeah, there's a pig inside.
I thought I smelled you.
Hello.
So, Mr. Pig, you've been here for a while. If you were to consider a 1-year lease in this area, would you go for it? Would you jump on that? Just looking for your opinion here. Yeah? Come here. Hey. Hey. Yeah? And then what? Is that all the time or is that just on the weekends? Oh. Come on. Boy, you stink. It's a good boy. No, he's not. And the rest behind the house is just concrete. It's concrete everywhere. So there's no mowing of the grass. And as you can hear the construction noises, and this is a Saturday, and the Saturday afternoon, so I can only imagine what it's like during the week. Bang, 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 bang. Alright. So that's it. 20,000 pesos. So the search continues. What's this? Oh, they're empty. We'll continue.
They got a lot of pandak.
They have a lot of panduks. Panduk is short legs. Short leg. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.